channel, Darisa's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury to lifestyle. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be all about what I got for Christmas. So it's like a little luxury haul, as you can tell by the title. But before we get into all that, if you're not subscribed to my channel, not sure what you're waiting for, but make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you have not hit that notification bell yet, I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but you don't want to miss when I'm uploading these videos. So hit that as well. And then, of course, make sure you guys are liking, hitting that thumbs up button. That's how you like, because that's how YouTube is going to know to keep recommending my videos to viewers just like you. And of course, make sure you guys are commenting, just engaging, and just keeping me in the know, because I love to get feedback from you guys, and that's just going to keep me growing on this platform. So without further ado, we're going to just go ahead and jump right into the video. So yes, guys, this is going to be kind of like a luxury what I got for Christmas haul. And these are gifts that I honestly bought for myself. When it comes to luxury items, I'm not a person that really expects people to buy me luxury things. I don't know, how others feel about that, but as far as that goes, I mean, I don't expect people to be out here, breaking the bank for me, because nobody got me like I got me. But I went ahead and I did treat myself to some items. I did get other items for Christmas as well, and not that they didn't make the cut, but I just figured, like, a lot of my content on this channel is centered around luxury, so I would definitely just want to go ahead and just point out some of the items that I went ahead and picked up. I don't have all of the items that I picked up because, of course, shipping right now is terrible. We're in the middle of a pandemic, so I'm sure you guys all know about that. But these are some of the items that I did go ahead and purchase throughout the holiday season for myself. Some items are smaller than others, but of course, it doesn't matter. They're all little luxury items that I am looking forward to using. They're all luxury items that I'm really just, looking forward to using here in the near future, and I'm really excited about them. So let me go ahead and just start out with item number one. So I'm going to just preface this video by saying that, okay, I did get something from Dior. I was honestly a little disappointed in the packaging that I received. I really wanted that beautiful navy blue holiday packaging. Honestly, holiday packaging for me this year was just a dud. I'm not even going to lie to you. I didn't get anything in the holiday packaging that I thought I was going to be getting. So I was very disappointed, because that was kind of the main reason I waited to buy some of these items. And we'll get into that a little later in the video. But I did go ahead and just pick up something small from Dior, because I really was in the market for this item. And I'm like, oh, perfect time to get the holiday packaging. I mean, this is kind of holiday. It did come with this, and this pretty like gold ribbon was wrapped on it when I purchased it. And this is my second time recording this video, so I don't know what happened the first time around, but clearly I got a message or something, and it like stopped in the middle of me recording. I'm gonna have to just get a camera, because me and my phone, people just love to just text me and call me in the middle of me filming. But anyway, it came with that, and I kind of did like a mini unboxing in the last video that I thought I was recording but really wasn't. So yeah, so here's what I got. It comes with a sample. So these are just 2 samples. They come in this really pretty gray dust bag. So like I said, you guys know I'm a sucker for packaging, and this here was just, piggybacking off of that. But this is the first sample I got was a Miss Dior perfume in Roses and Roses. And the second one was this is called the Bois d'Argent by Christian Dior. This is one of those more like, what do they call them? Like the more higher end fragrances that you just can't get anywhere. You only can get them from like the Dior site. So this is like a sample of one of those. I can't think of the name of what they call those, but yeah, they were free. So I just decided to go ahead and try them out. A lot of times I don't even really be trying these samples though, so I know it's a little wasteful. I mean, it's nice they give them out, but I forget. I mean, this stuff literally will just sit in the box. But anyways, I was in the market for this particular item. When I tell you it's small, y'all. But it's something that I needed. And honestly, the price point is not bad for this type of item compared to other items that you get on the market. So I went ahead and I got the Dior Backstage Brush Cleaner. I was in the market for a new brush cleaner. I literally was out. So I was like, wow, Dior makes one. And then the price point on it was lovely. I believe I paid $20 for this particular item. And when I show you how much you get in here, you're going to be like, wow. So for one, it has the Dior embossed in like the top of the, like the cap on it. And then look at all this that you get for $20. So if you want to just get a token of luxury, you know, affordably, this is just another way of doing it. You don't always have to be out here, you know, buying $10,000 purses or even $2,000 purses to just get the full-on luxury experience. So that's really what I'm here to show you on this channel. And this is just another way of just treating yourself without overdoing it, without breaking the bank. Yeah, so I'm really excited to get my hands on this particular item. You know, like I said, I don't know if it's something that's always sold out, but I was just wanting something with the navy holiday packaging. But I guess, you know, this will do because I do want the item and I'm looking forward to it. And for $20, I mean, I think some of this stuff costs more than that at like a Sephora, and you're not even getting all of this. So like I said, I'm not going to complain too much, but I really was looking forward to, you know, just that really gorgeous navy blue, and I was just, you know, a little disappointed. But yeah, that was the first thing that I purchased. So then the next thing we're going to talk about is Louis Vuitton. Now, this Louis Vuitton upsetted me the most, and I've seen somebody else said they're going to touch on, or I think they did touch on Louis Vuitton and their holiday packaging this year. I don't know what was going on with Louis Vuitton. So I did like a buy online, pick up in store specifically because I want to guarantee that I got the holiday packaging in the bag and all of that. And then she comes out with this orange bag. And I purposely waited to buy this particular item to get the holiday packaging because I wasn't in the market for anything else from Louis Vuitton, because me and Louis Vuitton have like a love-hate relationship. And they say, oh, well, we didn't get it in yet. Honey, it's like December 20th. When are you getting your holiday packaging in? So, I mean, and I didn't get too mad because I was looking at people walking around there. Nobody had any holiday packaging. But then she had the nerve to tell me, oh, but this is what the holiday packaging would have looked like. I mean, what am I... I mean, I guess it's supposed to be like a token of what I could have got. So, anywho, I was a little pissed off about it. I'm not even going to lie, to the point where I was just like, whatever. Just let me get the item. Let me get out of this store. So... I don't know. I have like a love-hate relationship with Louis Vuitton. Some people swear by Louis Vuitton. I don't know. They just have, we'll just say that for another video. But, so, you know, you get the envelope and then it came in this box. So, yes, I did get a box. But, other than that, yeah, let me go ahead and just show you what I picked up. And this is the item that I mean, I like the item. I'm not going to sit up here and just be too ungrateful, I guess. But, guys, it just was really annoying. So it came wrapped. I already took it out because, of course, it's my second time recording this video. But it didn't even come in a dust bag. It literally came wrapped in some tissue paper with a sticker. I wasn't even thinking about that at that moment because I was so irritated about the fact that I wasn't getting the holiday packaging that I really kind of quit even thinking about it. But yeah, so, you know, it slides out. You guys, if you're a luxury enthusiast or like to watch these kind of videos, you guys know Louis Vuitton packaging when you see it. So it's literally just a bandeau that I honestly probably am going to throw on right now. I figured I'd be a little more festive since this is like a holiday video. So that's hence the Santa hat. But yeah, I probably will go ahead and be putting this on this evening. I just have a small event to go to and I don't go places very often. So I'll go ahead and wear this. But this is it. It's one of those bandeaus. It's reversible. I'm not sure what side. I honestly bought it for this side right here. I really liked this detailing that it had on it. And then I don't know. I honestly may be wearing it because I am going to be wearing something with more black in it today. So I honestly may just wear it on this side today. But I mean, I will be wearing this on my hair. That's the reason that I purchased it. I know some people wrap these around the straps of their bags. I don't have time for that. I really don't even carry Louis Vuitton bags for real or like that. It's just something I don't really gravitate towards. So I probably won't be doing that. But well, other than that, I will be you know, I'll be rocking this. And like I said, I'll probably just wrap it around my hair. But I want to get my cost per wear out of this. I believe this was $195. So, I mean, yeah, I didn't get the full-on experience. And I really have been wanting one of these. But I was like, okay, I'll just wait till the holiday so I can get the packaging. So I didn't get packaging there either. So I don't know. My holiday packaging for 2020 has just been a huge disappointment. But yeah, I do like the item. So again, that's just another one of those things. All right, but the next item I'm super excited about because I got a super steal. I was not expecting holiday packaging from this. So I think since I didn't have that expectation, of course, you know, it's a little different feel. But guys, I went ahead and I finally purchased from this fashion house, the newer fashion house, Staud, I believe it's called. And this is more like the mid-tier price point for luxury. It's not the highest of the high. It's definitely not the lowest of the low, but this item here I'm so excited about. I'm gonna go ahead and just take it out. It comes in this huge dust bag, so you know it's a big item, but I had to have it. So this is the item, guys. Look at this. When I tell you that this tote literally crossed off all of my like requirements on my checklist for my next tote purchase, like guys, first of all, look at the sizing. Look how it's made. This is so on trend. I don't know if you guys follow like fashion trends for like the new year and all that, but huge, big, dumb bags are back in, I guess. And this is like the perfect bag for me. So for one, it's leather. I was almost going to go ahead and purchase one of the Telfar bags, but they're not leather, and I couldn't justify spending that when I can get something that's leather. Now, I'm not vegan or anything, so don't come for me in the comments. You know, I do prefer leather if I'm going to be spending anything over $100. I'm sorry, I do. So I was able to find this on Farfetch, and I love this bag because for one, it has a closure. I wanted something that did close. At first I wanted a zip closure, but I started to notice that zip closure bags just don't work for me because you don't fit as much in them. And I carry a lot of stuff when I am carrying things because I am I'm a mom. And I just constantly have to like lug a lot of stuff with me. It's just no way to get around that when you're a mom. You always have to bring a lot of stuff unless you are just on your own. But when I have my daughter, I'm always just needing to, you know, run out and just have a bunch of things with me. And then I needed something to replace my MCM bag because I said that I will be selling that bag and it's still on the market if anybody's interested. But yes, this bag was just perfect. For one, it doesn't have those straps that dig into the shoulders. It has a closure. So, and then it's understated. It doesn't have any writing all over it. So I can really do a lot with this bag. It's leather. It, you know, it opens very widely. That was another thing. I needed something that opens wide. Some of these bags, y'all, I mean, you might as well just be carrying a regular purse because you can't get in them. It has an inside zipper pocket, so I can always access if I need to get to my cell phone or something really quickly. That was one of a huge selling point for me. I just needed to be able to access certain things very quickly. And then, I don't know, it's perfect. Like literally, you can open it up, it closes, and you literally just throw it over your shoulder just like that. You don't have to worry about it getting too heavy where you have, like I said, the, you know, straps digging in or one strap falling downward. That's another thing that I was worried about. But this is just literally something you just throw over the shoulder and keep it moving. Or, you know, of course, you can wear it on your wrist like this. So, guys, perfect bag. And then the price point. Last but not least. This bag I think normally retailed for $595 if I'm not mistaken. And I, of course, did not pay that because we're all about affordable luxury on this channel. I only paid, for me, this was a good price. I paid, I believe, $238 for this bag. Literally got everything I was looking for in a tote. And I was on the hunt for a good tote for a minute. Like, I would not settle. I settled before with something else and literally was like a waste. So I said, this time I'm not settling. I want a certain price point. I want a certain opening. I want a certain look. And it had to just have just certain features that I was just not willing to, you know, I was just not willing to compromise with. And this one is perfect. I am just so in love with it. Like I said, it's understated and it's just great. The price point was amazing. I cannot wait to get a chance to wear this. Even if I'm traveling, I mean, this will be perfect. It's still super stylish. I can still wear it out if I needed to and be cute. And it's not going to clash with anything that I have on. So I might have to get it in black too, y'all. I just love this bag. So yeah, this is one of my purchases. Another one of my luxury Christmas gifts to myself. Okay, so we are at the end of the video. And we're on the last item. So the last item that I got, honestly, was from The RealReal. It's the first time I've ever purchased anything from The RealReal. I know this site has mixed reviews, but for the price that I paid for the item, I'm not mad at it. I mean, the quality to me looks legit and I'm cool with it. So I'll just go ahead and just show you what I picked up, because this is another item that I was on the hunt for. And it's like, literally, I was just finding all of my, like, everything I could ever want or ask for. I just seemed like I was just on a roll. I was really finding that stuff. So it's these boots here. These boots are like, guys, when I tell you that I have been on the hunt for a good black booty, I don't know if you guys have this issue, but booties to me are one of the hardest things to really buy, because for one, what I was running into was it just was just horrible quality. It had all these different color, like buckle zippers, weird like shapes, super skinny heel, super high heel, super thick just none of the, I mean, I wasn't finding really anything in a good price point, because that matters to me too. Now, yeah, I was finding stuff that was like just totally more than what I would ever pay for this particular item. And that's because I don't dress up that often, so I don't need to be spending $1,000 on boots. So in a price point that I was looking for, I just was not finding anything that really like spoke to me until I saw these. Now, I know you guys probably thinking that's like the most basic black boot ever, and that's all I wanted. I wanted basic. I wanted as basic as it got. I didn't want buckles. I didn't want strings. I just wanted something that, I didn't want zippers. I just wanted something that slid on, that was all black, good quality, decent heel height. That's all I wanted. And without a platform. I mean, I know platforms are in, but that's just not practical for me. Not for like a boot that you just always want to have to go with anything. This boot is like, guys, when I tell you this is the most perfect boot, this boot is by the brand Alaia. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Alaia, but that's like a luxury shoe. I think she makes purses too, but very high-end brand. And the price that I paid for these, it was like unbeatable. I couldn't believe that it was real. Hopefully they're real, but if not, I mean, for the price that I paid, it doesn't even matter. I paid, I think, $65 for these boots. And I think with like shipping and all the taxes, it came out to about 80, 85 bucks out the door. You could add out the door on there for these, but guys, this is like the perfect boot. When I put it on, the quality was amazing. Now, of course, I don't feel that I could stand in these for like hours on end, or walk to the mall, or go, I mean, I don't know. They're cool for, you know, if you just have like a date night, or if you just want to go out, just places where you're not going to just be standing the whole time. But even if you do have to stand, it's still doable compared to other shoes. But I mean, it's not I wouldn't say it's like, oh, when you put these on, you could stand for hours in them. I mean, I probably wouldn't want to do that, but it's still, for what it is, a beautiful boot. It fits, like it can go with dresses. You could wear them with like a crop. I don't know. They're just perfect. They come to a decent, you know, length, like right above the ankle. I just love this boot. So I was so elated to find these, and I just had to pick them up. And like I said, they were waiting for me. They were calling my name. I just could not believe that I found the most perfect boot. You know, and like I said, I never would have thought The RealReal would have something. And I always say I would never wear shoes that somebody else wore. But like I said, these were such an excellent quality. It barely looks like whoever had these even wore them. So I took a chance, and I am just like overjoyed at how beautiful this boot is, and I cannot wait to break these out. All right, guys, so that brings us to the end of the video, and hopefully this video was helpful to you guys, and you've seen some gems that, you know, you may have not knew even existed. Just let me know down in the comments. You know, I'd love to hear you guys' feedback. If you liked the video, if you didn't like the video, what you did like, what you didn't like, just let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.